Hello. Today, let's describe a picture at 3 different English levels. We'll start with an elementary level, then an intermediate level description, and finally an advanced level description. Here's the picture that we'll talk about today. There's a tall, rocky cliff next to the sea. The water is very clear and blue. A small white boat is floating near the rocks. There are green trees growing on the cliff. The sky is bright and the scene looks peaceful. The scene shows a rugged coastline with steep golden cliffs dropping into crystal clear blue water. A small white boat rests quietly near the jagged rocks, as if exploring the hidden coves. Green pine trees cling to the cliff edges, adding contrast to the warm stone. The calm sea stretches into the distance, meeting the horizon. This place looks perfect for a peaceful escape and enjoying nature's beauty. From a high vantage point, the viewer looks down upon a dramatic stretch of coastline where ochre cliffs plunge into a tranquil turquoise sea. A solitary white boat drifts into the narrow channel between serrated rock formations, perhaps on a leisurely exploration. Wind-swept pines anchor themselves stubbornly to the cliff face, their twisted branches reaching toward the water. Sunlight filters through the clear shallows, revealing the sandy seabed and patches of dark seaweed. Beyond the rugged outcrops, the open water extends endlessly, inviting both contemplation and quiet adventure. Now let's look at the vocabulary mentioned at each level. We'll start with elementary. And here is some of the vocabulary from the intermediate level. And finally, here are the meanings of the advanced level words. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you would, please leave a comment. Write your own description of this photo. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell. I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.